Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for the next few days I'm going to show you guys a quick overview and little clippets of what I've been eating. Today I'm going to be having apple cinnamon oatmeal for breakfast because for whatever reason, I like oatmeal. I've been craving oatmeal, so I'm going to have that. They say you should have it with fat-free milk, but I don't drink milk. I usually don't have a whole bunch of dairy. So I'm going to have that with almond milk, and I will show you guys some of my meals, and I'll upload that for you guys and let me know what you guys think. And there's my breakfast. This morning I had some oatmeal and I've been sipping on my coffee, which is now cold, but I'm going to have my snack, which is the golden pound cake. And then all the breads and muffins have one of these little packets, I guess, underneath them. Okay. It's pretty good, but again, it's kind of like when you buy anything that's packaged and it's supposed to be meant to be in that package for a while. It tastes a little bit different than when you actually make it yourself or get it in a bakery, but it tastes pretty good. It's not bad. I have to reheat my coffee now. Yummy lunchtime. Haven't tried this one yet. So this is supposed to be its tortilla soup. It a little bit exploded in my microwave. So I'm going to be giving that a try. It's actually really good. I like it. I didn't think that I would. I don't think I like the concept of tortilla soup, but it's pretty good. And then I'm having this as a snack, I think. White chocolate chunk cookies. What do you think, Yuri?
No.
No?
Kinda.
Kinda.
I want to try a bite of the cookie.
And then these are little cookies. They're pretty tiny. You want one? Just a bite, huh? What do you think of the cookie? Yeah, of course you do. So yeah, white chocolate chunk cookies. I think I'm gonna like these. They look pretty good. They're a little like on the harder side. They're not like soft cookies. So they'll be like nice little crunchy cookies, but it won't matter because I'm going to be having this with coffee, so thumbs up. Alright guys, so it's the end of my night. I'm home from work. It's a little late because we just got the kids in bed, and I am doing one of my dinners, which is hearty beef stew. I haven't tried it yet. I'll show you guys kind of what it looks like here. So originally opening it up, it looked kind of jelly-like and not very good looking, but I'm gonna give it a try. It's not as solid anymore. It's not bad. I mean, it's obviously not as good as eating beef stew that you just make like in a crock pot or something. But yeah. It's pretty decent. Just like if you see my hand, the size of it. It's not a very big portion, so I have a feeling I'm probably going to be a little hungry after this, so I'm going to have to see if I can't heat up some like green beans or broccoli or something. It's the only thing I don't like about some of these is the sizing of it, it's pretty tiny.